Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is January 29th, 2025, and we're diving deep into the world of Meta, exploring both the current news and the technical aspects of its charts. Let's start with the current events. Recent news indicates mixed sentiment surrounding Meta's stock. Earnings reports suggest a decrease in profits for the past few quarters. However, many analysts suggest that the metaverse and AI projects are showing a lot of promise and could be poised for exponential growth in the short term. Looking at the daily chart, we observe a generally upward trend over the past few months, with several notable price increases and retracements. The recent surge could reflect investors' increased confidence in Meta's future prospects, particularly in the AI space. Now, let's switch to the 1-hour chart to examine the short-term price fluctuations. Here, we can see a more volatile pattern. Note the periods of consolidation and the significant recent gains. There have been several instances of strong bullish and bearish pressure in short periods of time, meaning that it is a highly volatile stock. The 15-minute chart shows even more rapid price movements, which can be extremely difficult to trade. This high frequency of changes and quick reversals reinforces the need for short-term technical analysis and close monitoring of news and events. Zooming in on the last week of the daily chart, we observe a significant upward trend, possibly fueled by positive news and increased investor sentiment following earnings reports, which were slightly lower than projected, but still demonstrated growth. Examining the 1-hour chart for this same period reveals numerous instances of quick upward and downward trends. It is highly volatile. Support appears to be around $650, while resistance is around $670. Based on this, it appears that a short-term bullish trend is likely. If we focus on the 15-minute chart for the last day, we see a clear increase in volume when the price reaches key levels, suggesting significant buying or selling pressure at those points. The short-term trends seem highly unpredictable based on this chart. We can also see the price making small gains and then losing them very quickly, meaning this can be a very difficult stock-to-day trade. In summary, the current news and market data demonstrate that Meta is highly volatile and difficult to predict in the short term. The key support level to watch is $650, and the key resistance level is $670. A break above the resistance level with higher than normal volume could signal a continuation of the current bullish trend, while a breach of the support level might be indicative of a short-term bearish shift. It's crucial to keep an eye on how investors react to any new developments. Both AI announcements and news of continued growth in the metaverse have the potential to heavily impact the price in the short term. Remember, this analysis is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always conduct your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.